Before we begin factoring expressions, we need to understand important elements that make this process, the process of simplification or factoring expressions, possible. The first of this content is prime factorization. In other words, we need to know how to break down a given number, into prime numbers or prime factors. So let's see how this method works. So for instance, here we see a number 60. So let's break down this number 60 into factors, and all those factors will be prime factors. Remember, definition of prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by 1 and by itself. Numbers such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. All of those are prime numbers. So let's break down this number 60 into prime factors. So how we do that? First, we write a given number, in this case number 60, and then this vertical line. And on this side here, we use only prime numbers, numbers or prime numbers that divide 60. The first prime number that divides 60 is number 2. And 60 divided by 2 is 30. And then 2 again. 30 divided by 2 is 15. The following prime number that divides 15 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And the next prime number that divides 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. When we get 1, we stop. Now we write down these numbers over here. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So these numbers go here. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 is the prime factorization of 60. So this number 60 was broken down into all these factors, and all of these factors are prime factors, prime numbers. Or we can express this expression doing this: 2 squared times 3 times 5. Okay? So let's see one more example. Let's write the prime factorization of 40. The same process. Number 40 goes here, a vertical line, and on this side, all prime numbers that divides the number that goes here. The first prime number is 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then the next prime number is 2 again, 10. Next prime number is 2. Now it's 5, because 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now the following prime number is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Remember, when we reach 1, we stop. Conclusion: the prime factorization of 40 is times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, or 2 cubed times 5. Okay? Now I want to solve exercises from number 1 to number 8 to practice prime factorization.